friends, my name is Jyoti studying in third standard A section, and today I am going to do the activity of the rain. It is raining. Both plants and animals want water for their life. Some animals get water from river, lake and pond, etc. Where did plant get water? The plant get water from rainwater, human being, and from natural groundwater. The rain is the main source of water. Now, let's explain the water cycle. The sunshine fell on the lake, pond, river, etc. The water changes into water vapor, and the water vapor goes up, and the water vapor mixed with the cool air, and the cool air and the water vapor mix and change and make a cloud. And when the cloud could not take the weight of the water come down on the earth. Now I want to tell what is evaporation. The sunshine fell on the ocean, lake and river. The water go up. That is called evaporation. What is called condensation? The water vapor change into water by cooling is called condensation. And what is called precipitation? Precipitation from into the cloud change into water and bigger in drops of water. Then the time the cloud could not take the weight of the water, and then the water was fell down on the earth, and it is called raining. And we learn what is evaporation, condensation and precipitation. This result is rainfall. Thank you.